First thing I gotta do is go ahead and get this seat off. You took the 2 screws out the back, boom, seat off. Alright guys, from this point we should just be able to go ahead and turn the front off of there. Yep, just getting this slinger on the boat. Way on the boat, my bad. You see? And just like that. So just line it up right there. As you see, we're just gonna slide it up a little bit more. That's where you know you gotta sit to the right spec. Yep, same thing on the bottom, we got him turned. So that's how we looking as of now. Stand up test, let me see. Ooh, yeah. Oh yeah, that's way better, y'all.